Have you ever wondered how electricity is generated? What actually produces it? A magnet. Yes, just as we can create magnets from electricity, we can also use magnets to produce electricity. We know that if a magnet is moved quickly through a coil of copper wire, electrons move in the wire and thus electricity is produced. Electricity can also be produced by rotating a coil between the opposite poles of a magnet. This is how an electricity generator works and produces electricity. Such simple generators or model generators are used in our homes and offices. They convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. In a model generator, a coil rotates between the ends of a magnet. This magnet produces electricity. From the generator, wires carry electricity to your home. But this current generated by model generators doesn't flow in one direction. It's not unidirectional. It changes its direction after equal intervals of time. Such a current is called alternating current. Many industries and market sectors rely on electric generators as a main part of their backup plan. Electric generators are used in a whole range of different situations, when other power sources are simply insufficient or unreachable. For example, generators are used for backup power for houses, standby power for offices, temporary power on construction sites, and power for outdoor catering facilities. But these are the generators used for the production of electricity at a large scale. What if you want to power a light of your bicycle? A dynamo can be used for this. But what is a dynamo? Is it an electric generator? A dynamo is a small portable generator which produces electricity from the mechanical force applied when you pedal a bicycle. Its working principle is the same as that of a model generator. It is clamped onto the frame of a bicycle close to the tire. It has a wheel on top which touches the tire. When the wheel of the bicycle turns, it turns the wheel of the dynamo. Inside the dynamo, the magnet turns and its magnetic field cuts through the wires, generating an electric current which lights the bicycle's lamp. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it is, because dynamos are very cheap as they don't need fuel or any other expensive energy source to run on. The rider is generating the electricity himself. Today we have learnt that if a magnet is moved quickly through a coil of copper wire, electrons move in the wire and produce electricity. Generators convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Model generators produce electricity by rotating a coil between the opposite poles of a magnet. A dynamo is a small portable generator which produces electricity from the mechanical force applied when you pedal a bicycle.